Meaningful connections. Sharing opportunities for a fulfilling life. Human connection is at the heart of happiness, success, and fulfillment. In today's fast-paced digital world, it's easy to focus on individual success and forget the power of relationships, community, and shared opportunities. But the reality is, the quality of your connections can determine the quality of your life. Building meaningful connections isn't just about networking for career growth. It's about creating relationships that uplift, inspire, and open doors for mutual growth. In this guide, we'll explore how deep connections, generosity, and shared opportunities lead to a truly fulfilling and purpose-driven life. 1. The power of meaningful connections. Many people believe success is a solo journey, but the truth is, the most fulfilled individuals thrive through relationships. Whether it's personal relationships, professional networks, or community engagement, the stronger your connections, the richer your life. Why meaningful connections matter. Emotional well-being. Strong relationships reduce stress and increase happiness. Career and growth opportunities. The right people open doors to success. Support during challenges. A solid support system helps navigate difficulties. Inspiration and motivation. Being surrounded by driven, positive people fuels ambition. Shared joy and purpose. Life is more meaningful when experiences are shared. Action step. Think about someone who has positively impacted your life. Reach out and express gratitude for their role in your journey. 2. Building authentic relationships that matter. Not all connections are equal. The goal isn't to simply know more people, but to build genuine, value-driven relationships. How to build authentic connections. Be genuine. People appreciate honesty and sincerity. Listen more than you speak. Show real interest in others. Offer value first. Focus on how you can help others before seeking help. Be consistent. Relationships grow through regular engagement and effort. Surround yourself with the right people. Seek those who align with your values and growth. Example: instead of only networking for career benefits, build relationships where both parties support each other's goals. Action step: reach out to someone you admire and start a genuine conversation without expecting anything in return. 3. Sharing opportunities. The key to mutual growth. A fulfilling life isn't just about what you gain, but also what you contribute. True success comes when you share opportunities and help others grow. Ways to share opportunities and lift others up. Introduce people to valuable connections. A simple introduction can change someone's life. Share knowledge and resources. Teaching what you know benefits others. Celebrate other successes. Support and uplift people in their journeys. Be a mentor or guide. Help others navigate challenges you faced. Collaborate instead of compete. Find ways to grow together. Example: if you hear of a job opening, mentorship opportunity, or collaboration, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who might benefit. Action step: identify one opportunity you can share with someone today.
4.
Strengthening personal relationships for a more fulfilling life. Career connections are valuable, but personal relationships bring deep emotional fulfillment. Investing in family, friends, and loved ones is just as important as professional success. How to strengthen personal relationships. Prioritize quality time. Be present in your relationships. Communicate openly and honestly. Strong connections require transparency. Support each other's growth. Encourage and uplift loved ones. Express gratitude regularly. Let people know they matter to you. Forgive and move forward. Let go of grudges and focus on meaningful moments. Action step: call or message someone you care about and remind them how much they mean to you. 5. Expanding your network and finding like-minded people. To create a fulfilling life, surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Whether it's through friendships, mentors, or communities, being in the right circles leads to personal and professional growth. How to expand your network with meaningful connections. Join groups and communities. Be part of industry groups, hobby clubs, or volunteering. Attend events and conferences. Engage with people who share your interests. Be active on social media with purpose. Share value-driven content and connect with like-minded individuals. Step out of your comfort zone. Initiate conversations and build new relationships. Stay in touch, follow up with people, and maintain relationships. Example, if you want to grow in entrepreneurship, connect with entrepreneurs through networking events, LinkedIn, and online communities. Action step. Join one new group or community related to your interests this month. 6. Giving back. The secret to true fulfillment. Success feels empty if it's only about personal gain. One of the most fulfilling ways to create meaningful connections is through giving back and helping others. Ways to give back and strengthen connections. Volunteer your time and skills. Helping others creates deep bonds. Support local businesses and initiatives. Encourage growth in your community. Be a mentor or role model. Guide others who are where you once were. Practice random acts of kindness. Small gestures create lasting impacts. Use your platform for good. Share messages that uplift and educate. Example, if you've learned valuable life lessons, consider mentoring someone who is just starting their journey. Action step. Find one way to give back this week, whether through mentoring, volunteering, or supporting someone's dream. 7. Overcoming obstacles in building connections. Not every connection is easy to build. Some people struggle with social anxiety, trust issues, or past disappointments. How to overcome challenges and build stronger connections. Start small, one conversation at a time. Let go of past disappointments. Not every relationship will be perfect. Be open and vulnerable. Genuine connections require authenticity. Invest in people who invest in you. Focus on mutual growth. Learn communication and social skills. Growth happens with practice. Action step. Identify one fear or obstacle holding you back from building deeper connections and take a step to overcome it. 8. The long-term benefits of meaningful connections. Meaningful relationships aren't just about the present, they create lifelong benefits that shape personal and professional success. How strong connections transform your life. More opportunities, career growth, business partnerships, and collaborations. Better mental and emotional health. Less loneliness, more happiness. Personal growth and learning. Exposure to new ideas, perspectives, and experiences. Increased confidence and self-worth. Being valued in a community boosts confidence. Stronger support system in tough times. Life challenges are easier with a strong network. Action step. Reflect on how meaningful connections have helped you and how you can continue strengthening them. Final thoughts. The key to a fulfilling life is connection. At the end of the day, success, happiness, and fulfillment aren't just about personal achievements. They are about the people we impact, the opportunities we share, and the relationships we build. Your action plan for meaningful connections. Nurture authentic relationships, not just surface-level connections. Share opportunities and help others succeed. Invest time in personal relationships for emotional fulfillment. Expand your network with like-minded individuals. Give back through mentorship, volunteering, and support. Overcome obstacles to building deeper relationships. Recognize the long-term impact of strong, meaningful connections. What's one way you've benefited from a meaningful connection? Let me know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.